Today I will bring you with me in a supermarket tour. We are going to check a few places that are in a time range that goes from 15 to 45 minutes drive from Playa Tesoro. We just turned into the highway, and as you can see, we are giving a ride to a random dude. This is typical of Nicaragua. We'll start from bigger supermarkets that have most of the products and the selection that we also find in North America. As I already mentioned in previous videos, my English level is basic. So please forgive me if I repeat many times, I like it, I love it, it's good. Apparently that's all I know. This is the first grocery store we're visiting. It's just at the entrance of León. This place is the closest, biggest supermarket to Playa Tesoro. I would say it's about 30 minutes drive on the dirt road and then out here. Bananas here, they're pretty small, very different from our bananas, but they're very tasty, so I'm going to get some of it. To try some yuca, which is very typical here in Nicaragua. They explain me how to cook it. You just boil it with a little bit of salt and then you peel it and eat. They always use the app yuca to check my products in Canada, so I really have to try yuca. Very happy I found this one here. This is my favorite tomato sauce for pasta or spaghetti. And of course it's Italian, but you can find it in Nicaragua. Cool. And of course we are in Nicaragua, so we need to buy some coffee. I'm going to try this brand for the first time, but you will never be wrong with any coffee in Nicaragua. They're all really tasty and good. I don't drink regular milk, so this is the perfect option and there's no sugar. So yeah, you can also find very healthy stuff. And of course tortilla chips, because we eat lots of salsa here, and these are pretty good. It's pretty good bread. Our tostadas, they're actually pretty good too. It's an option instead of tortilla chips. It's the same product, you just have a different shape. It's like big round shape that you can break. And sometimes it's more satisfying, use the big one for scooping your dipping. So I like this too. I love these crackers, they're really good. They're like crackers with chia seeds. Okay, so grocery is done, and I would say Hormuz is recommended for all the basics. You can find a good selection. Prices are very decent. We spent altogether about $40. Very good. And the grocery cart is pretty full. Okay, good. This one behind me is La Colonia grocery store. It's a very good store for North American people, I would say, because they have lots of products that we are used to. It's a little bit more pricey than other stores. I will show you inside. As you can see behind me, there is a big selection of wine and various alcohol. I'm not a fan of alcohol, but I know lots of people appreciate it, and they appreciate to be able to find it in a supermarket.
So let's talk to me about the wine section, Christine. It's cheap, expensive, good, bad. What is it?
They have both. They have good, they have expensive, they have medium, they have
What's
cheap.
expensive? Show me.
This would be considered expensive.
Yeah. So what? That's a
white blend.
Which is a 90.
$9.41.
Obviously, it's 1,000 cords with taxes, so that's like $40 US.
Yeah.
And then the stuff we're gonna buy is probably what? How much?
Well, I have been buying. I think this is the Morris, which is 376 cords. Not this one though. That's a Chardonnay. I don't like Chardonnay. This is an organic wine.
From where? Italy?
It says Mesta. It's from a product of Spain. It's an organic rosé, and it is 395 Cordobas, which seems like a very...
$3.95, which is like maybe $11.
Yeah, but that's a really
And
good
the other
price.
one we're gonna buy was from Italy, which is a $3.49 one.
Yeah.
This is that one.
Is it? And there's another
So
one.
this-
There's a white one, and then the organic one.
As mentioned, Nicaraguan coffee is pretty amazing, and here they have a very big selection. best peanut in town. Nicaraguan cheese is not exactly the best cheese around. I usually go with feta, which is pretty standard. Other type of cheeses are not very good, to be honest. This one is the mini super, which is it's called farmer markets, but it's from the co-op, very close to Playa Tesoro. It's just 15 minutes down the road. They have all the basics, nothing too fancy, as you can see, but yeah, so I'm going to get fruit and vegetables. The junk food. Here we go. There is a little bit of dairy, milk, yogurt, of course, wallflower. And now I leave the scene to John and Christine that have a wonderful meat shop to recommend in León.
Okay, so this is one of our new little favorite places. It's the kind of butcher place. And so I'm just gonna show you inside this, I guess, kind of butcher shop, meat shop, whatever. Gracias. Oh, this is the place to get your meat. And they got all kinds of seasonings here. Oh, you got, these are pretty cool. I wouldn't mind one of those. All your barbecue utensils. And hey, look what we found here.
Hola.
This is my personal shopper. And she's feeding my carnivore ways in Carninique. So yeah, man, this looks insane. Like, you can get whatever you're thinking, no problem. They got a dude here who will help you buy whatever. So we definitely want some ribeye, you know? The ribeye here in Nicaragua was like to die for. Little storyboard across the top. And then let me see if I can get this here. This is pretty cool, man. This is super cool. This is all PriceSmart stuff. So this is all, they go to PriceSmart, buy everything, and then they resell it here. And so one thing that we love that you can only get at PriceSmart is the creamers. This place is actually pretty awesome. I just got some WD-40, which is always good at the beach. And then, actually this ladder is awesome. I bought one of these at PriceSmart, they're wicked. So, yeah, just some other stuff from PriceSmart. I don't think this stuff's from PriceSmart, doesn't look like it, but that stuff. And then they actually have more meat in the back. So products from PriceSmart, Amazon, and Walmart. So this is a good little score right across from Carnique and Clinica Metropolitano. So this is me with another information session.